Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the date and the time functionality and the date and time library in Java. Here, Java provides the date class available in java.util package. This class encapsulates the current date and time. So the date class supports two constructors such as date and then date long millisecond. So the date here and the long millisecond. So date this constructor initialize the object with the current date and time and date long millisecond. So this constructor accept an arguments that's equal to the number of milliseconds that have in elapsed since midnight here I just write January 1st and 2017. So now, how to get the date and time using our code? So now here, I just import a library, import java.util, and then here I just write date. So this is our library for importing the date, and then public static void main, and then here I just write string and the arguments. Now instantiate a date object. Here date, and then I just write date where it is equal to new date. So we just create a date object here, and then we just display the time and date using toString. So system dot out dot print, and the print is line here, and then here I just display the date and time. So date dot to string, and then I just close this code. Now we just check the output for this. So okay, and you can see Wednesday January 17, and this is my time and it's PKT 2018. Now we just see the date formatting using simple date format. So the simple date format is a concrete class of formatting and pausing the date in a local sensitive manner. Simple date format allows you to start to choosing any user defined pattern for date and time formatting. Here in this code, we just import two libraries. One is our java.util and another one is java.text. So here I just import java.util, and then I just import java.text. Okay, now I just use public static void main and then string arguments. Now here I just write date. So this is the object here, and then now, which is equal to new date. And then I just write simple date format, and which is ft, which is equal to new sample date format, and then it's e, and I just write year here, and then month and date, and here I just write at, and then here hours and minutes and seconds, and then z. Okay, and here after this I just write system dot out dot print line, and here I just display the date and time. So here I just write current date and plus ft dot format. So the format here is d now. Okay, date now. Now we just check the output for this code. So we have the current date, which is Wednesday 2018 and 27 and 17. Okay, and this is my time, and it's 8:27, and this is the second here, and this is my time zone. So this is zone here, and this is my time location. So these are the date and time functionality in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.